Good morning everyone, it's Vanessa. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is a little productive university college day in my life, but it's also a very exciting day because it's Alan and I's 5th anniversary. So if you've been around here for a while, you'll know Alan, my boyfriend. He pops in on the vlogs sometimes, but today's our 5th anniversary. So after we both have our little day of classes and studying, we're actually gonna go out for dinner and dessert, and it's just gonna be a great little evening. But I thought I'd kind of vlog it and kind of bring you guys along because I let him pick out dinner, so it's a bit of a surprise, but then I picked out this great place for dessert and I really want to show you, besides it being like our date night, but I want to show you guys this dessert place in Toronto because it looks so amazing. And yeah, anyways, this morning I had a little quiz at 8 a.m. That's why I'm currently still in hoodie and track pants, but I had my quiz at 8 a.m. and then I had tutorial until 9, so it's currently 9:12 a.m. and I have a break until 10 a.m. and then I have lecture from 10 to 11, and then that's it for my classes for today. But I have some chapter readings and stuff that I need to get done before I head downtown. But I thought I'd just bring you guys along, show you the productivity side of my day as well, and then do a little get ready with me before I go out because that's always fun, and just chat. But yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast now and change into not pajamas. Still comfy clothes because I'm not actually sure what I'm wearing yet today, and I still have a few good hours before I have to leave. We have finished coffee number 1. That's probably gonna be my only coffee today because I'm not doing too bad. And we finished glass of water number 1 and number 2. But yeah, I'm going to look a little less like a bum and more like a human being and put on some actual clothes, make breakfast, and then do my second lecture. I'm still just in sweats, but at least it's not pajamas now. So I have about 15 minutes and then my 10 a.m. lecture is starting. While I was taking a little study break, the doorbell actually rang and I got a little package in from Urban Outfitters, so I'm quickly gonna do a little haul of some of the things that I got from Urban Outfitters because this package just came and I want to show you guys some of the things that I got. First off, I got this beautiful vase. I keep seeing this everywhere and I ordered this back in June actually, and it finally is in now. But it is so stunning. I absolutely love it. It's just this little body form, and I got the peach toned one. So I'm gonna have to put some cute flowers or something in that, but I love it. And I actually posted on my story, some of you guys were telling me to get the matching mug as well, and I might just have to, but so cute. But I'm actually gonna do a little try on haul of the clothes that I got. I got quite a few little pieces. They had a big sale on, so I figured while there was a sale on, I might as well pick up some stuff since I love Urban Outfitters. But this is the only thing I won't do a try on of, but they're these huge square chunky glasses. I thought they were super retro and funky, and I don't really have anything like them, so they were really cute. So first off, I got this little Truly Madly Deeply butterfly tank top. I thought it was so cute and it'll be perfect for next summer. I just thought it was the cutest little tank, and yeah, so it's the first piece. Next I got this gorgeous kind of cropped sweater. It's got a little bit of a bungee at the waist as well as at the wrists, but I thought it was so super cute, and it's a little bit dressier, but it's so comfy and casual still. And then I also got these BDD jeans, and I'm trying to decide if I want to return them or not because I got them in a 26, not a 27, so they're a little bit tight, but like they're also really cute, so I have to decide what I want to do with those. Next, I got this little cropped v-neck t-shirt. It's just got a little bit of lace detailing here, and I got it in an extra small because I wanted it to be a little bit smaller, a little bit more fitted. And then I also got this kind of taupey sage green bucket hat. You guys know I've been obsessed with bucket hats, so I think this one is so super cute, and it's actually a terry cloth. It'll be perfect for next summer. If you can catch my drift, I kind of got a few things on sale for like next summer season, but I thought this was too cute and I couldn't pass it up. And then lastly, I just got this little black cropped cardigan. It's just got these little buttons all down the front, but I thought it was really cute and a nice little basic for the fall. It's pretty thin, so it's nice for like that early fall when it's still warm out but you want to dress like fall, and I thought it was really cute. So that is kind of it for that little Urban Outfitters haul of some of the things that I got. I'm actually going to do a little bit more schoolwork before I have to get dressed and get ready to go meet Alan downtown. Before I get on to writing some notes, I just wanted to show you guys some updated organizational stuff. So I downloaded this little Mac app called Memo, and basically you can stick sticky notes onto your desktop, like with the background. So I currently just have this little blue one here going of all the tasks that I have to do. So you can scroll down, add the little check boxes. So I have all my classes, and then all the tasks there. But then I still have also been using the My Homework app, and I constantly have like other stuff here. So when I check it off on the sticky notes app, I also go over here and check if there's any other upcoming things that I need to add to the sticky note. And then I'm just constantly updating stuff like this. So I'm finding that this is working pretty well so far, but I'll keep you guys updated. This is kind of how I'm organizing all my online classes right now, but I'm finding it works pretty well. This is the little outfit of the evening. I'm just wearing this little Aritzia tank top, Nasty Gal cardigan, these jeans from the Gap, and then I have my Peta and Jane bag. We're going for like a dressy casual look. Like I have a nice shirt on, but then I'm just wearing jeans and sneakers. We're not going to any like fancy dinner or anything. That's just not really us. We're doing just something kind of casual. Alrighty, so makeup is done. I went for kind of like a soft pink look because I'm not really wearing too much color, but I'm just gonna quickly do my hair now. I have about 25 minutes before I have to go catch a bus, so I'm just gonna quickly do some light waves with my curling wand, and I'm just using the heat protectant and prep spray from Dry Bar. This is the only one that I've ever used and I love it. So it also smells so good. It's definitely gonna like mask perfume. That's my only problem with it, is I love wearing my Chanel perfume, but then this smells like cinnamon and it masks everything. I'm gonna give that a few minutes to just set in my hair, and then we're gonna curl my hair. So my hair is all done. I'm all ready to go. I just kind of did some light waves and then hairsprayed it, but I'm all ready to go. So I'm going to go catch the bus now and head downtown.